Hello, so let's start. As we see, we have here an I-beam. Uh, we have I-beam 200 mm with uh, 500 mm at total length of 14,501. Uh, and here we have connector plate uh, 520 mm by 300 mm with 20 mm thickness, and we have here uh, center to center of the hole is 200 and the other side is 160 and the other side is also 160 with overlap of 10 mm. So side to side 10 mm, and then we have 20 mm hole, and then we have also another connector plates at the top of the I-beam. We have 9 connector plates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From the side of the I-beam, we have 1,740 to the other connector plate, and then followed by 1,500, and also 1,500, 1,510, followed by 1,190 and 1,100, 1,500, and then 1,500, followed in 1,500, 1,500, and the last is 1,146. So we have from the we have 141 by 141 mm by 100 mm, and then 10 mm thickness, and the size of the hole of the connector plate is we have 14 mm. So we have also 4 holes. From the top we have 50 mm center to center, then at the side to side we have 80 mm center to center, then we have 25 from the top to the center of the hole, and then from the section B we have also another connector plate. We have 10 mm thickness also, and then 18 diameter holes with 2 holes. From the top of the connector plates we have 100 with the side of the connector plate is 40 mm, and the center of the hole is 70 mm. Then from the center of the hole to down to the bottom of the I-beam we have 330 mm. So let's go to the section C. Section C we have a support plate with 30 mm thick, and then we have also another connector plate. Connector plate is 60 center to center of the hole, then with 18 diameter with 18 mm diameter hole, and then we have also here welding of the connector plates with the bottom is fillet weld with 5 mm size weld, then at the top we have also bevel, then 5 mm also weld, and then with flash grind, and then we have also here another connector plates from the bottom, from the other side of the I-beam, 200 mm by 100 200 by 200 with a hole of 100 mm center to center of the hole, and the side to side is 40 and 50 mm. So that's all. And since we all know that drawing are really used in almost everything, especially in publication area, so we must understand every detail to properly follow the actual plan. So that's all, and thank you. And hoping to hear you soon because I really want this job. Thank you.